When it comes to Kanban project management, you've probably heard of Monday.com and Trello. But which one truly works best for Kanban users? Stick around, because I'll compare both platforms and give you a recommendation for a better alternative, one that might surprise you. Let's kick things off with Monday.com. At first glance, Monday.com offers a visually appealing interface and a ton of customization options. It's packed with features designed to adapt to various workflows, including Kanban. You get color-coded boards, multiple view options like Gantt charts, and the ability to track project timelines. But here's the catch, it's not the most intuitive tool. You'll spend a bit of time learning how to get the most out of it. For Kanban users, it's not as simple and straightforward as you might expect. Next thing, let's talk about Trello. Trello is often seen as the go-to for Kanban boards. Its simplicity is its strength. You get a visual, drag-and-drop interface that's easy to set up and use, and it's perfect for smaller teams or those who prefer minimalism. However, Trello can feel a bit too basic for bigger teams or complex projects. The free version, while useful, is limited when it comes to advanced features like automation, integrations, and reporting. And if you want to expand beyond simple boards, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, let's dive into the next thing, integrations. Monday.com offers a broader range of integrations, which can be great if you rely on other tools. It plays well with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and even Salesforce. However, this can add a layer of complexity to your setup. On the other hand, Trello also has solid integrations, but it's more limited compared to Monday.com, especially when you're on the free plan. That being said, Trello's integrations are easy to set up, and if you don't need too many external tools, it'll probably suffice. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Monday.com has a higher starting price, but it does offer a lot of features even in the basic plans. If you're a team with diverse needs and you want to unlock things like dashboards and advanced reporting, it might be worth the investment. Trello, though, can be cheaper, especially if you're just a small team looking to use a Kanban board. But remember, you're trading off some of those advanced features. For anyone using Trello's free version, expect limitations on power-ups and collaboration features. Next, let's talk about scalability. Monday.com shines here, hands down. If you're working on multiple projects with a lot of moving parts, Monday.com's versatility makes it a better choice. Its ability to manage complex workflows and large teams is unmatched by Trello, which can become cumbersome as your team grows. Now, you might be wondering, is there a better alternative out there for Kanban users? After testing both Monday.com and Trello, I found something that offers all the benefits of these tools, minus the drawbacks. If you're serious about using Kanban for your projects and want something even more intuitive, with better pricing and enhanced functionality, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Both Monday.com and Trello are solid options, but for a smoother, more efficient Kanban experience, this other tool stands out. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and see for yourself.